Came to learn how to make profitable, compelling, converting Facebook Messenger ads, you're in the right spot. What's going on YouTube? It's Aaron here in another video, and I'm going to show you how you can make Messenger ads through Facebook. And I'm also going to show you how to connect it to your bot, so that way when anyone responds to your Messenger ad, they're going to instantly be onto your flow. And I'm going to also answer some common questions that people have with Messenger ads. So obviously the first step to do is to click on messages for the most part, right? So one common question I constantly see is, should you use the Messenger campaign or should you use traffic? And then let's say, for example, should you use traffic and then drive people to your Messenger bot for the most part, right? So a lot of people do this, and my best answer for you is to test. But in all honesty, I would just rather use the Messenger objective, because think of it this way. Facebook is showing your ad to people who are just, if you choose traffic, who are just going to click and then land on your Messenger bot, but they're not likely to respond. If you choose the Messenger objective, you get people to have conversations with you with your business. So Facebook knows that these people respond to messages. So that's why I would say choose the messaging objective. But of course, it's always best to test. So we're just going to stick with messages. So we're just going to do test messages and click on continue. And of course, you want your messenger to do click to messenger, or you can do a sponsored message. So what exactly is a sponsored message? So that's a send a targeted messages to people who have an existing messenger conversation with your business. So this is like a promotion message. So you've probably seen it before when you've gone on to Facebook Messenger and you see like something on the top that has like a promotion. So this is what you can use to get people to interact with you again who've already interacted with you. And this is a way you can get over the 24+1 rule. So that way you can, talk to those people again. And then, you want to select the audience that you're of who you're targeting. I've made multiple videos on how to target on Facebook, so be sure to watch those if you need help in that area. So I'm just going to skip it for now. I'm just going to say, yeah, targeting everyone in the United States. And then you want to just choose automatic placements for this. And then you want to optimize for replies. You can also optimize for leads as well if you are looking for leads. So that way, if you have a proper messenger flow setup, you can actually attract leads. But let's just go for replies right now, because once people are actually talking to you, then you can profit from them for the most part. You can adjust your budget with any way you want. I talked about budgeting in another video, which I'll have a link up to, and then we'll hit continue. So now we're going to get into the fun stuff, is actually making the ad and connecting it with your manychat messenger bot. So my assumption is that if you're running a Facebook Messenger ad, is that you already have a manychat account already set up and already made. If you haven't already, I'll most likely include a link in the description. If I haven't, or if I've forgotten, you can literally simply just type in manychat. But what manychat is you can create messenger bots that are going to automatically reply to the customer. So you can have so once you make a flow, once you make a sequence, it can literally be automated messaging. And usually you can make messenger bots pretty fun and pretty interactive as well. I am going to make a video, a full-blown tutorial on how to make flows, use sequences, use the growth tools on manychat. But for now, I'm just going to assume that you already have a flow and you already have a sequence set up. So pretty much, I'm just going to go through my kind of flow of how I use it to get leads and the sequences I put them in. Okay, so here's another flow that I've made. So usually also what I have is, once they go into another one of these flows, I actually subscribe them to a sequence. So what I have is they download a lead magnet and I try to subscribe them to a call. So to get to the sequence, I do, where is it? Growth tools. No, not growth tools. Automation. and then sequences. So you can think of sequences as like email marketing campaign, right? So pretty much I just have the different sequences. I send them the different videos that I've made, and then I do like a free audit, and then I send them more value, and then I have more value, and then I do another ask for a booking of a call. So pretty much I'm just providing a ton of value before, I try to book them on a call, or, try to get them to do whatever. So I would recommend something similar, that you establish a flow to make them download the lead magnet or download your offer, and then set them up onto a sequence where they get messages of you providing value. So how exactly do you set that up? So what you do is you go onto the images here, and you can create the ad however way you want. I go into detail about the proper ways of making an ad in a lot of other my videos, so be sure to watch that. But I want to keep this video kind of short and sweet for the most part. I'm pretty much just showing you how to pretty much connect your messenger ad to your bot for the most part. And another way, if you don't have a bot, you can use to actually just talk to the customer. So now we get to messenger setup. So you have a create your own welcome experience or use your bots get started screen. I just use the create your own website experience. So you can have a standard template, which is just Facebook's own standard template of like what people are going to send you. So pretty much when someone clicks on your ad, it's just going to appear here. It could be like, hi Aaron, please let me know how you can help you, meaning they're going to have the customer's name here. And then once they send that, and then you can talk to them directly through there. So that's the easy way if you don't have a messenger bot and you're fine with communicating with all the customers that you get. Or you can set up a custom template to actually connect it to your messenger bot. So how do you exactly do this? So we can we can create a new template. And then for the welcome message, you could usually have I'm going to remove this right now. So I just removed some of the standard template stuff I had. So pretty much for the welcome message, I like to use text and image. So you can have like the image of the ad appears here. And then I usually get rid of the text greeting as well. So the title image, this is where I put like my call to action. And my call to action is going to be, hey, get this discount today. And it can be whatever you want it to be, whatever your hookup offer is. And then you want to tell the customer what to do. Click the reply below. I'll say click the button below to claim it now. So then you want to set up the quick reply. So this is where you go into your manychat, your growth tools, and you click onto keywords. So you go onto automation and keywords, and then you want to make sure that the keyword you have here is the same exact one that you have in the quick reply. So I would make a keyword saying I'd like to learn more, or you could do it vice versa. So you can set new rule. So you paste the keyword and then click on create keyword. So this is like an if this then that. So the message is I'd like to learn more. You can do select existing, and then you can connect it to your starting step in whatever flow that you want it in. So in this case, not a new folder. I would set it to right here, and then they can get into the flow, get into the sequence, etc., etc. And that is where the messenger ads come in. That's where they're profitable, because you can talk to the customer, you can give them value through messenger, especially now because email marketing is kind of dying out. It still works. Everyone's saying it still works, but I think it's kind of like beating a dead horse for the most part, because there's just so many email marketing stuff. It's crazy. It's insane. But messenger marketing, people aren't really using yet. And if you're a local business or wherever you are, they can be really profitable for you. So once you set that up, then I would just make sure that you test it. So let me select an image. So you usually use an image from an ad for the most part, but I'm just gonna let's just use this image right here, and then finish. And then yeah, you can't you can't make any changes once you make it, just a heads up. And then I would just preview it in Messenger. So click here and it's gonna preview in Messenger, and you just make sure that the flow works out and you make sure that everything works out before you start running your ad. So that is exactly step by step how to run a successful Messenger ad. So be sure to click on the video up there and I show you how to run Facebook ads for local businesses and make a killing doing that. I'll see you guys in that video.